Welcome to the stock picks for the coming year. This is part three. Please watch part one and two. Let's go with the next next one in the list, DMart. So this has recently given the breakout. So after every breakout, there is again another pattern that is going to form, and you can see the breakout is triangle pattern, very big triangle pattern, since 2020 February, and this has given breakout, and then again I think at 52-week high. Uh, so you can see this triangle pattern, and now again it is trying to break out of this pattern, and I think this has uh, very good consumer attracting space. So you can buy this or HUL, sorry, Hindustan Unilever. So this was the target that I have set earlier. So this has given the breakout here, and this was actually given the breakout, and I traded this. So you can see the short-term target of this, and again after breakout is forming consolidation. Flag pattern or triangle pattern, I would say. So let's see if this breaks out again. If it falls to the below, breaks below to this, then there will be likely again support levels here. So let's see. So coming to another consumer sector, it's Dabur. So this has actually been in most of the time it is in consolidation phase. So that is the reason you can see there are a lot of lines that I have drawn. Let me remove these unnecessary lines. You can see this. This is the 52-week high. So that is the line that this is the 52-week line. And now after major consolidation, falling channel pattern, you can see from here it was falling to around 500 levels. Now it started picking up. Now FMCG is into all the FMCG stocks are into uh, breakout. So you can eye on any of these stocks and you can see. Uh, so this has given breakout. I posted it somewhere here. Now it is 525 to 538, and I also mentioned to book profits 50%. And once this if this is a valid retest, then we can stay in the stock. Otherwise, we can exit the positions because it is at all-time high. And the Nifty depends on again how Nifty is performing. But also with IT. So of all the IT stocks, before going to IT, I would actually convey some of. I want to convey a few points in consumer sector because uh, so earlier only the consumer sector space is the only place where there was profits, because even in IT there was like transition of um, technology, and the infra space, the banking space we have NPS, finance space. Again, there was some issue that has gone down. So there are multiple drawbacks in every sector, but FMCG was ever been like, though they give very low returns, like uh, around 15% of profits every year, CAGR, I would say. So only FMCG is where majority are started to invest, because 15% was very high, very difficult during 2017 to even 2015 to 18 or 19. Only FMCG sector used to do well. So that is the reason why FMCG always evergreen, because consumer is always king, and they demand these stocks. So I'm going to IT. IT is mine tree. Of all the stocks, I would pick mine tree, because mine tree are the pillars of the Tata Legacy. Why? Why? Because I have noticed that the amount of range that these stocks, IT stocks, has made. I compared with the trend, what do you say, ratio trend. So that ratio trend has shown me that these stocks like Mindtree and Birlasoft are persistent. They went to on a scale of 0 to 1, sorry, 0 to 100. These stocks has moved as much as 50 to 80%, sorry, 50 to 80 points on the ratios trend. But when it is compared with Nifty, but when compared to sorry, not Nifty, Nifty IT pack. But when I compared Birlasoft, KPI Tech, and Mindtree are positioned with Infi or TCS, again they are like just only gave you 20, around 20 points on the scale of 0 to 100. So there was around 50 points of difference in these stocks. So MNC based, like, these are little risky, but uh, now IT is trending, so you can stay in that risk. But those are very low returns. You can see that Dimpi has made this much high. Because the market cap is increasing. You can they brag about those stocks, but Mindtree, Persistent, because of you can see that they have given huge kind of returns in the since the COVID, and those are the first ones to hit all-time highs before even Infi or Mindtree. You can see it has already crossed 52 high, and it is moving higher every day. But Wipro is a little better, but HCL and Infi are still lagging. TCS is very lagging. So I would prefer Mindtree or Persistence or Birlasoft. There is no trend lines that I can draw here. It's just the one line, kind of cup pattern here. Let's see if there is any retrace or if moves higher like this continuously. Birlasoft is like has given it has moved 20% one day and 10% one day. It is like almost a dream rally. So this is channel part has been broken and it rallied to 30% within just 2 days. That kind of momentum you can see in digital, but not in MNC companies, like big blue chip stocks. KPIT Technologies is also KPIT Technologies is also one similar stock. Like this has high digital space. This has this is the one of few companies which has transformed very quickly into the digital space. Uh, Digital space in cloud and analytics space. So this has competitive advantage. That is the reason why Persistent or Philosoph or these companies are moving very faster than any other. Uh, the margin of these companies are very high. So just watch out for the quarterly results, because this move is not justified with the performance of the company in the quarterly. Then this might fall in very high drastic. Yeah. So and then, at that point of time, those blue chip stocks tend to uh, uh, support the rally of Nifty. But these kind of stocks will give high returns if they tend to perform well in performance in quarterly results or yearly results. Tata Elxsi, uh, Tata Elxsi is a very good IoT kind of stock. This is almost similar to IT Pack, but this has like latest kind of innovations are happening in this company, because of which this stock is moving higher. You can see it in the news. In one of the news, it was very interesting that let me show you one. So you can see it has like it is tie up with Tata Motors somewhere here, and see here Tata Elxsi and Tata Motors has connected and collaborated to do the IoT for the its car, and you can see they are internally tying up with companies, and also it is they are moving into every space like electrical, automotive. So Tata Elxsi is very good stock. You can see how it has rallied. Again, you can check on 20 MA, but now I don't think it will move that way. But still, you can wait for retest and then let's see if it moves higher. I entered here and exited somewhere here. I didn't like the momentum of this stock. It was not moving drastically like after 1 hour close. I entered somewhere here at 1 hour close and it was not having good momentum. So I thought the stock would retrace. So again I switched on this indicator and I saw that there is some resistance here at WR1. Let it break this WR1, then I'd like to re-enter in the stock again. I'm keeping this in watch list. Uh, Time space, you can enter HDFC Bank or IDFC. Anything is fine. Nothing to mention here because those are blue chip companies, and IDFC is kind of good company, good banking sector company, and I think IDFC is also good in mid cap space or compared to blue chip stock that can give higher return. But we do not know how much NPA it has right now. So keep on wherever you enter in mid cap, you enter cheap. So that is the reason you have to constantly monitor their performance. But HDFC Bank, this is a blue chip company, you can expect a much higher performance from this company because this has very good quality growth in terms of customers. Um, and finance wise, Cholafin or Bajajfin, they are forming. Bajajfin is competitively more advantage than any other stock. But Cholafin has formed Dravas box. So once after consolidation breaks out, then you can enter because it has given such a big rally. Bajajfin, so you can see after rally, it is taking support kind of years. So I don't think I'm waiting for some pattern to form in hourly pattern at least. So you can draw patterns like this and take the trade. Once it is taken support here and reversed, and or if you see any for example bias insert, sorry, stock, sorry. Ah, so even this is in so this is also more advantage and still moving higher even after making such a big high. It is not even forming any consolidation after this. You can continue moving with this moving average, or you can draw some patterns and wait for the support levels to touch in 1 hour time frame. So this is how it is moving now. Let's see if this perform the wedge pattern. I think so, or I would draw like this. Uh, but on daily time frame, I would rather wait for short term view. I'll retest. If it is not, then at least moving average, touch to moving average first to take the trade on a daily time frame. It is very low kind of. Uh, I don't think it will give us any opportunity. But this is very good stuff. So similar to Bajaj Asian Paints, we can try out the same. Like enter somewhere in the day, and whenever it is red or whenever it is green, and put the stop loss below that candle. And these are very high probable stocks. Like they move and they don't fall below to that. So right now, majority of these sectors are in like mortgage space. Like people are in trouble paying the due. So that is the reason why like they kind of take loans on gold. So I'm waiting for this triangle pattern to break out. Maybe once this break out and it might touch here and retrace, or it can go and touch here and retrace. If these two are going, then you can see some good moves going ahead. Coming to auto space, Maruti, I've already traded this, but I exactly exited it here, and it's trying to retest this level and it's moving higher now. And I have drawn the box pattern, and it has broken after triangle pattern. It has even broken this box and retraced, and now it is going higher. I think this has auto space is moving higher now. So coming year, this will be auto sector will be in good space. So Hero MotoCorp. So this is kind of different trade that we can take. Like we can go with short straddle because we can see it was almost like within this range. And once this breakout happens, then you can remove one leg in the call side sell, and you can stay in the put side, short on put side. So that way you can trade, or mostly the even the moves are very narrow. Yeah, hopefully this will not move in coming days as well, so you can do short strategy. But investing wise, I'm not interested in investing in this Hero MotoCorp. This is a very good shot, but I would rather pick the Tata Motors, sorry, Hero MotoCorp, PVS Motors rather than Hero MotoCorp. Even this is in consolidation test, so let it be in consolidation. Let's see if this high is broken. Until then, we can stay in the sidelines in this sector, in the two-wheeler segment. Bajaj Auto is very good. This is giving good returns now. You can see it has given the breakout and it is moving higher. So it tested the moving average and now it's moving higher. So I think this is a good entry. Let it retrace here, or let's see how it goes in the coming days. And Tata Motors is very good stock to stay in because Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has invested in the stock. I think probably here or here. So it is okay that this is a new investment that he has made after so many days, so many years. So I think this will go higher just like Titan, and this has very good advantage going ahead because it is already into electrical segment, just like M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. So let's see if it retraces somewhere or if this breaks out, then we can go into this trade. Balakrishna Industries again. This is kind of retested here and moving here. So this is again auto parts maker, and you can see it retested here and starting moving higher. So let's see if coming days if this has crossed this line, then we can stay in this one. And coming to metals, so metals are in competitive advantage because metals is like steel. Steel has very good pricing now. So similar to uh, which we discussed in the earlier video regarding the demand supply issue. So similarly, same thing happening. Cement has uh, demand and supply delay, but this this has faced demand and supply issues very long back around here in the November itself. So that is the reason why it keeps in rallying every day. Similar to Asian Paints, you can also trade with moving average or wait for the red candle and you can enter the. So Tata Steel or JSW, both are same. You can enter in both of those, but compared to JSW, Tata Steel has more advantage because uh, it has Tata Bhushan acquisition also. So they have made an acquisition so that has given some edge in their profits. So anything is fine. JSW is also good and Tata Steel is good. So Crisil is the one of the Rajesh stock who it is in the triangle pattern. So I'm waiting for this to break out. Uh, I think this has given good returns to him in the early phase. So he's still holding it, and this is coming after good raise. It is coming box pattern consolidation. Let's see if this breaks out. This is the insurance sector. Crisil is rating sector, and Adani Enterprise is one more stock which is like evergreen, like it will keep rising because it is into wholesale distribution sector to consumers. To supply to consumers, distributors are the major key roles, and this is a complete advantage uh, to uh, uh, ride in this stock, and I can ride with the using the Bollinger Band whenever it touches the moving average. So, opportunities are always there. Just have to enter its right entry and ride the wave. Thanks for joining, and this is the end of the topic.